What's up, home hunters? Aaron here with Rent Portland Homes, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about getting started with Rently.com so that you guys can check out the homes that we have listed with Rently boxes like this one, all on your own. If you're using our website to find a home, the Rently link will be at the top of the listing if we have a box available there. You can also use the Rently website to see all of the homes in your area equipped with boxes, or the Rently app for the most streamlined mobile experience. Either way, once you've found a home that you want to view, click on the Enter Property Yourself button, and you'll be taken to this page and prompted to create an account with Rently. Creating an account is quick and easy, and only requires a few things beyond the typical name, email, and phone number. Once that information is filled out, Rently will send you a text message to confirm your mobile number, and then prompt you to sign back in with the account details you just created. Once you sign back in, you'll be able to schedule a time to see the home you initially clicked on after completing a few more steps. The first is a valid credit or debit card, which will be charged 99 cents upon signing up. This is mainly for security purposes, to ensure that the key to the home doesn't get lost or stolen. Rently will then ask for 3 photos, front and back of your ID, as well as a quick selfie, which if you're using your smartphone to sign up can be done very quickly with your camera. Once finished, you'll be able to enter the home. Rently will call you quickly to confirm the listing, and then send you a text message like this one with a lockbox code to get the key. Enter the code, get the key, and find your dream home. And don't forget to lock up. So as you can see, super simple, super easy. Takes a few minutes to get signed up, but once you're signed up, you're ready to go. You can essentially take a look at all of the homes that we have listed, as well as thousands more in the Portland area on Rently.com. Take advantage of it and see them on your own schedule. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you later.